Want to launch your own online empire but feeling overwhelmed by all the platform choices? Here's the truth nobody tells you about building an online store with WordPress that could save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. Building an online store isn't just about picking any platform anymore. The landscape has completely shifted, and making the wrong choice could turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a technical nightmare. I've helped hundreds of businesses navigate this decision, and today I'm breaking down exactly when WordPress is your golden ticket, and when it might be your biggest mistake. Let's start with the elephant in the room. WordPress powers over 40% of the entire internet, including major brands like NASA and Disney.
That's impressive, but here's what the success stories don't tell you.
For every beautiful WordPress store making millions, there's another business owner drowning in plugin conflicts, security breaches, and update disasters at 3 a.m. The WordPress promise sounds incredible. Complete freedom, unlimited customization, and it's free to download. But that free software is just the skeleton. You'll need hosting, which costs money. You'll need a theme for design, often requiring payment. Then comes the plugin parade. You'll add WooCommerce for selling, a security plugin to prevent hacking, a caching plugin for speed, an SEO plugin for Google visibility, and a backup plugin because things will break. Suddenly, your simple store becomes a Frankenstein monster stitched together from dozens of different creators, and you're the one responsible for making sure they all play nicely together.
Every update carries risk.
One plugin could break another, or worse, crash your entire site during your busiest sales period. This leads to what I call the maintenance trap. WordPress sites need constant attention. Updates for WordPress itself, your theme, and every single plugin. Skip them, and you're leaving the door wide open for hackers. Keep up with them, and you might accidentally break something critical. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite all these challenges, WordPress with WooCommerce can still be the perfect choice for certain types of online stores. The key is understanding exactly when that power is worth the complexity. WordPress shines when you need extreme customization that other platforms simply cannot provide.
Are you selling products with complex configurations, personalized engravings, or unique subscription models?
WordPress gives developers the freedom to build literally anything you can imagine. If your business model is unconventional, WordPress might be your only option for true success.
It's also ideal when content marketing is central to your strategy.
Maybe you're not just selling products. You're building a brand through valuable blog content, tutorials, and industry insights. WordPress seamlessly blends powerful blogging capabilities with e-commerce functionality, creating a content-driven sales machine. WordPress also wins when you absolutely refuse to be locked into any single company's ecosystem. You own everything: your content, your customer data, your design files. If you want to switch hosting providers or dramatically change your setup, you have complete freedom. However, for most people starting their first online store, there's a better path forward. Shopify has revolutionized e-commerce by focusing on one thing brilliantly: helping you sell stuff online without the technical headaches. Shopify handles all the hosting, security, and updates automatically. Their inventory management system is intuitive. They work seamlessly with multiple payment processors. Most importantly, they offer 24/7 support when things go wrong, which they rarely do. While Shopify is less customizable than WordPress at the code level, their app store contains solutions for almost every feature you could want. Need advanced analytics? There's an app.
Want sophisticated email marketing? There's an app.
Require complex shipping calculations? There's an app for that too. The real advantage is predictability. You pay a monthly fee and everything just works. No surprise bills when plugins suddenly require premium subscriptions.
No emergency calls to developers when updates break your checkout process.
No late nights wondering if your security plugins are actually protecting you. Shopify excels when speed to market matters more than infinite customization. If you want to start selling quickly with minimal technical knowledge, Shopify removes virtually every barrier between you and your first sale. The platform also scales beautifully. Whether you're selling 10 products or 10,000, whether you're processing 100 orders monthly or 100,000,
Shopify grows with your business without requiring technical expertise on your part.
Here's my framework for making this decision correctly. Choose WordPress with WooCommerce when your business model requires features that simply don't exist on other platforms. When content marketing is absolutely central to your strategy. When you have technical skills or budget to hire developers. When you value complete ownership over convenience. Choose Shopify when you want to focus on growing your business instead of managing technology. When you need reliability over ultimate flexibility.
When you prefer predictable monthly costs over surprise technical expenses.
When you want professional support available whenever you need it. There's also a third option worth considering for specific situations. If you're selling digital products, courses, or memberships, platforms like Teachable or Gumroad might be even better than either WordPress or Shopify because they're built specifically for these business models. The biggest mistake I see entrepreneurs make is choosing a platform based on what sounds impressive rather than what matches their actual needs and skills. WordPress sounds powerful and professional, but that power means nothing if you can't harness it effectively. Start by honestly assessing your technical comfort level. Are you excited about learning WordPress, managing plugins, and troubleshooting conflicts? Or do you want to spend your time on marketing, customer service, and growing your business? Consider your budget beyond just platform costs. WordPress might be free to download, but between hosting, premium themes, essential plugins, and developer help when things break, costs add up quickly.
Shopify's monthly fee might actually be cheaper when you factor in all the hidden WordPress expenses.
Think about your timeline. WordPress offers unlimited possibilities, but realizing those possibilities takes time. Shopify gets you selling faster, which might be more valuable than having every possible feature. Most importantly, consider your growth plans. WordPress scales infinitely, but requires increasing technical management.
Shopify scales smoothly, but within their ecosystem.
Neither choice is permanent, but switching platforms later means rebuilding everything. The truth about building a successful online store is that your platform choice matters far less than your execution. The best e-commerce platform is the one that gets out of your way and lets you focus on what really drives success. Understanding your customers, creating great products, and delivering exceptional service. Whether you choose WordPress for ultimate flexibility or Shopify for reliable simplicity, success comes from consistent action, not perfect platform selection. Both can create million-dollar businesses when used correctly. Your homework is simple. Write down exactly what you need your online store to do today, not someday.
List your technical skills honestly. Calculate your real budget, including all hidden costs.
Then, choose the platform that best matches your current reality, not your future dreams.
The perfect online store platform is the one you'll actually use to start selling, not the one with the most impressive feature list.
Your customers care about their experience, not whether you built it on WordPress or Shopify. What type of online store are you planning to build? Drop a comment below and let me know which platform you're leaning toward after this breakdown. And if this helped clarify your decision, hit that like button to help other entrepreneurs find this guidance. Subscribe for more honest, no-hype advice about building your online business the right way.